Traditional manual production requires more labor and makes it difficult to maintain stable production efficiency. Manual assembly relies on operator experience and slows down high-volume production, while Kiande automation ensures fast, consistent, and reliable assembly. Kiande automatic assembly system reduces manual operations, improves assembly efficiency, and ensures consistent product quality. Manual inspection is time-consuming and error-prone. Kiande automatic inspection delivers rapid, defect-free quality control. The automatic inspection system provides faster and more reliable quality control for every Busbar product. Manual packaging slows down production and risks delays. Kiande automatic packaging improves continuity and helps fulfill orders faster. The automatic packaging system improves production continuity and helps manufacturers complete orders faster. Polyester film wrapping speed reaches 1 turn per second for efficient and continuous installation processing. From assembly to inspection and packaging, automation creates a more efficient Busbar production process. Kiande Smart Manufacturing Solutions for Busbar Automation.